Now I have wrote some codes with given instructions, and now I'm gonna explain this step by step. Firstly, I have created two classes. First one is storage box and second one is storage box demo. And in the first class, firstly I have imported Java util array list, and after that I have wrote class storage box t, and this t means generic type parameter, and this class is a generic class. Storage box is a generic class. And after this, I have defined two variables here. These are items and capacity. Items is an array list and capacity is integer. And then I have right here, wrote here constructor part, public storage box int capacity, and I'm calling the variables here using this. And after this, I have defined and method here, and it is add item method. This method adding items in the box. Public boolean add item t item. T means any of the type. Every type can be suitable. And then if item size less than capacity, items add item. In items, we can add the item, and we are printing item added and which item we add here, and return true. And otherwise, else, we are printing, when the storage box is full, we are printing storage box is full, cannot add item, and the item that we cannot add here, and return false. Other method is remove item method here, and as you consider this method type is boolean, public boolean remove item, and if items is empty, the items is not empty, if for this one, because of this one, and t removed item, items that remove item size -1. Items is not empty, we are removing one, and we are writing here -1, and we print item removed and removed item, which item we removed we are writing here, and return true. And else, when the items is empty, we're printing this line. As you see, storage box is empty and cannot remove item, return false. And another method here is empty method. Is empty method checks the items is empty or not, as you consider this type is boolean. True, it's return true or false, is empty or is not empty. And other method is full method here, and it is boolean too. It checks the item size equals capacity or not. And the last method is display items, and we are printing storage box contains items. Storage box, which items contains, we are printing this. And I'm am continuing with the other class, it class storage box demo. We have wrote this class to test and demonstrate the other class, storage box class. Firstly, I have wrote here public class storage box demo and public static voids main string args, and here I am creating a box. It's a string box with capacity 3. It's changeable, you can change this number. You can write here 4, 5, 10,000. It depends on you. And then here, using add item method, I'm adding some items. First one is apple, and second one is banana and cherry, and the last one is date. But we cannot add actually date item, because as you can see here, this box capacity is just 3, and just the first 3 one we can add. And here I'm writing display items method to display items, and then remove item. I have wrote here 3 remove item methods to remove 3 of them. And first one is remove the last one, and it's one by one going like this. And then I have created one more box here, and it's int box, integer box. It contains some integers with capacity 2. And using add item method, I am adding some items here. First one is 10, 20, 30, but as you can see, the capacity was 2, so we cannot add the last one, the 30. We cannot add this our box. And int box.display items method I used here to display items, and then remove item method here to remove items. In this box just 2 items, and I am removing both of them. And let's see the results. Item added apple, item added banana, item added cherry, but we cannot add the date, and storage box is full, cannot add item date. We cannot add date item because the capacity is just 3, and storage box contains apple, banana, cherry, and item removed cherry. No, firstly the last one removed. Cherry was the last one, and firstly we removed cherry, and one by one banana, last one is the first one, and it is apple. And other box is integer box. We have added some integers. First one is 10 and 20. This one's item added 10, item added 20. This 2 was added, and storage box is full, cannot add item 30 because the capacity was 2, and we cannot add item 30. And storage box contains 10 and 20 here, and item removed. We use just 2 methods, 2 item remove item method, and just 2 of them removed. And the first one is the first removed is the last item is 20, and then the 10. And let's change some things and see the results. what we can change? We can change the capacity here. Let's write here 4, and all of them can edit in this box. And then I am removing this line to remove I'm gonna just 2 items remove. I'm gonna remove just 2 items here, and here the capacity is 1, and then remove item just 1, and run the code, see the results. It takes some time. And then item added apple, banana, cherry, date. I have changed, as you see, I have changed this capacity with 4, and we can add date item here too. And the storage box contains apple, banana, cherry, and date. And then 2 remove item methods was here, so 2 of them removed, date and cherry. The last one is removing firstly. And the other box, I mean the integer box, just 10 added because I have changed the capacity to 1. So just 1 item we can add this box. And then storage box is full, cannot add item 20, and storage box is full, cannot item 30. And storage box contains just 10, and item remove 10. We have wrote just 1 remove item method, so just 1 item we can remove here. Okay, that's all. See you.